In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color in FigJam. We'll start right at the source. Open your browser, head to figma.com, and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see options for different file types. Click into FigJam, or open one of your recent FigJam boards if you've been working on something already. That takes you into the collaborative whiteboard where you can add shapes, sticky notes, text, and quick doodles. Now, changing colors in FigJam is all about selecting the thing you want to update, then choosing a new color from the top toolbar. Click a shape, a sticky note, a piece of text, or a doodle on your board. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlight or handles around it. With it selected, look up to the top toolbar for the color picker icon. Click that, and a color panel opens with options you can apply immediately. From here, you can pick a preset swatch if you want something fast and consistent. If you need a specific brand color, type or paste a hex code into the color field for an exact match. You can also use the eyedropper inside the color panel to sample a color already on your board, which is great for keeping your stickies, shapes, and text visually aligned with any existing elements. If you're updating text, make sure the text layer itself is selected, then choose your color in the same way. For shapes and stickies, you're usually changing the fill color, and you'll see the update happen instantly. Doodles and marker lines can be recolored too. Simply select the stroke you drew and apply a new color from the picker. A quick tip to save time: you can select multiple elements at once and change the color for all of them together. This is handy when you're theming sections of your board or bringing a scattered set of notes into a shared color system. While you're in the color panel, look for the opacity control if you want a softer look. Reducing opacity can help background shapes sit behind text without competing for attention. If you don't see a change, double check that the correct item is selected and that you're not clicking on the canvas or a grouped container. And if you try a color and don't love it, you can always undo and pick another. Exploration is part of the process. That's all there is to it. Log in at figma.com, open a FigJam board, select your element, and use the color picker in the top toolbar to make your change. With these basics, you can quickly create clean, consistent, and colorful boards that are easier to read and more fun to collaborate on.